Hey guys, welcome back to camp. Haven't been up here in a while. We had a couple problems with some. I did two videos. One of them didn't have any sound. One of them, all the video was washed out. So, anyways, we come up here. Then we went into deer season here in New York, and so today I'm just coming up, checking on things. Gonna change out the cards on the trail cameras, and we've had some high winds and some rain, so just making sure nothing fell over. So that's what we're up to here today. Let's get out. Let's start up the four-wheelers. I'll take the green one round, check all the cameras. We got some high winds today, so we'll see what's going to go on here. Well, those two started right up. I don't know what you're going to see in there, but my dad started really well. Corey's, of course, started right up. I'll let him warm up a little bit. Like I say, it's chilly, but it's not that cold. Wind's blowing, but shoot, not cold enough. We've had them running colder. Oh, they're warming up. I'm gonna take a walk down the field here. Well, probably last good weekend for deer hunting here in New York. Heard some shots off in distance. Griff and I went out a couple times, but didn't see anything. We have them on the cameras, so they're there. You can see how much rain we got. How this water's running. Our little ditch is holding up good. I don't necessarily like how much it's eating down, so this spring, I tried widen that and get the V out of it. We put rock piles in certain places, slow the water down, but well, there's one right there. But the only place it really washed was right there. Well, you can see a couple spots right here. That's because of those big rocks. We gotta get them out of there. Slowed it down too much, I guess. That's a lot of water. That is a lot of water. And you can see down, well, I'll show you in a second down here. We're still going to have to do something. Still washing. I really don't want to ditch it any further than I had to. Kind of like to leave things a little natural. So you can see right here, somewhere we got a pipe. I don't know where the hell it is. Oh, back here, right there. But then it washes back over right there, and we cleaned up that road this past summer. I'm gonna have to widen it and ditch it, but that's no big deal. Kind of just want things to get back to grass. We really in the future we'll have no need to take a vehicle any further than right here. So, oh, four-wheelers sound like they're running good. Let's go grab one and check the cameras. Well, at the next one here, let's check that one. You can see right back here, pretty worn trail there, especially right there, going in that group of pines. Unfortunately, that's our property line right there. That group of pines is the property line. So, anyways, let's get this one changed. Well, guys, we started everything but well, we didn't start them two four-wheelers. Tried to start everything. I tried to start this, try to start the tractor here. Let that warm up a little bit. Wow, started right up. Might as well back it out of there and let it warm up a little bit and take it down there and tend to those spots I mentioned earlier. Okay guys, there's two spots kind of want to take care of. This one right here. Get those big rocks out of the way. That one, well, three spots I guess. And all of this. These I want to pull back a little bit. So originally I was thinking of scooping it out. Well, I guess I could still do that. Dump it on this side. I guess what I'll do. I'll try to scoop it out, dump it on the gravel side. You know, let's see how successful I am here. There you go, guys. Got that cleaned up. It's running good now. Hopefully it won't back up. Well, we're gonna get the tractor put away. I've been letting it idle down, cool off a little bit, or warm up, whichever. So we're gonna get that parked. Get my dad's four-wheeler put away. We'll see what we got on the cameras. It's a pretty day up here. The only problem is the wind's blowing. So let's get them this stuff put away. Appreciate you guys stopping in. We'll see you next time. See you. Bye.